how exactly do we start on the journey to meditation? And whilst meditating, should we concentrate on a mantra or a deity?
You see, meditation also comes in different flavors, because in a way sometimes you can meditate with eyes open. Forget about closing your eyes and chanting a mantra. So meditation comes in different flavors. How do I know this? From experience, by the way. The thing is, I talk like that, honestly. There's no gimmick here. You see, sometimes with open eyes, you see the whole creation as something dramatically different from what it appears as. And you actually experience it. It's a wow experience, really wow experience. So some people can do that. Some people might say, I just by repeating the name. You see, repetition, what does repetition do? In a way, focuses your mind and becomes one-pointed. That's the idea of mantra. Focusing, chanting the same words again and again and again, in a way, forcing it, because your mind doesn't like to sit still and become focused. It likes to be defocused all the time. It likes to be scattered. This is a speciality of the mind. It becomes scattered very quickly. So the idea of mantra is to, by repeating that thing again and again for long hours, long period, you are saying, mind, shush, I'm going to hold you down. Only this word, this verse is going to be the center of attention for you from now on. Just focus on this. So that process in a way makes you one-pointed and focused. That's what the aim is. So when you become one-pointed and focused using mantra, for example, as a chanting, or some person symbol, even by just looking at a symbol, some people can become very one-pointed by looking at the ideal they love. Suppose I love the image of Shiva, or suppose I love the image of Sri Ramakrishna. By looking at it, I become one-pointed focus. I get it. So by focusing either with open eyes, closed eyes, or focusing on an idea, focusing on a chanting feature, any process that you take on that allows you to become one-pointed and focused, you will notice it. Because as you can become more and more focused, you feel very powerful. You feel very strong about yourself. This is the first signal. You feel because you see your faculties under your control for the first time. So by becoming focused and one-pointed, you begin to recognize your own strength. You become really empowered. I'm not exaggerating. Try it. So when you become more and more empowered, it in a way forces you to progress further. It's such a rewarding experience. You want to progress to its destination. And that particular process, because little bit of, suppose you get, little glimpses of the spirit, that itself is so powerful, you can't let go. You already tasted something very sweet. You want to go back there. So you basically then have been given a free sample, and you'll be, very strongly attracted to follow through that particular experience, and that will make you one-pointed naturally. You'll kind of progress. Once you hit the target, you'll start progressing naturally. Whether you focus on an individual deity that you love, on a sound that you love, on a symbol that you love, that is your choice. We allow that, because different individuals have got different way of focusing. So we say, you choose, my friend, you choose.